Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now, playing games on your computer is always fun, but what if you wanted to play it on your phone or on your tablet? Now, there are several services that allow you to stream your PC games into a mobile device or another computer, but there's always some caveats. One, you might have to pay for that specific service in order to use it, and two, you might be limited by the number of games you can play on it because of licensing issues. But now there is a service that helps eliminate both of those issues. Rainway is a free service that allows you to stream your PC games from any client into a variety of devices. Now let's go download it on our computer and see how well it works. Okay guys, to install Rainway is fairly simple. You will go onto the main website, rainway.com. There's the first thing that pops up. You will go ahead and click Get Rainway. Here you will hit download now on your PC. Once it downloads, you will just click on the executable program for it to run. And then in just a couple of minutes, everything should download and install and you should be ready to go. All right guys, so once you finish installing Rainway, this is basically what shows up. Now this is basically a library of most of my games, to be honest. I don't have a lot of games in here, but basically it has taken games from Steam. I see Star Wars Battlefront. That's from the Origin Access. You also have Fortnite, which is from the Epic Game Store. So it's really taken off from pretty much all of the clients that I have installed here on the computer, which is pretty neat. So now that we have this installed here, let's go ahead and install it in one of our mobile devices and finish our setup. So we're gonna download Rainway on our iPad here. So basically you just go into the App Store, go into Rainway, and go ahead and install. So once you open up Rainway on your iPad, you will go ahead and link your account from your PC to here. And in order to do so, it looks like we need to go back into our computer. Now, back in our computer, we will go ahead and click Add a Device. Now, there's a couple ways we can do it. We can scan it or put the code automatically. I guess we'll scan it. All right, and once you have everything scanned, everything should be in place here on the iPad, ready to go. Now I am using a DualShock controller from the PlayStation 4 that's connected to the iPad in order for me to use it. So let's go ahead and test some things out. Now this game, Rocket League, is a good example of how well this can run because it shows you exactly whether there is any lag or no lag at all. Now I'm not particularly good at this game right now, but if you can see the iPad and the computer right here side by side, you can see that there's actually no lag at all. And just shifting your eyes from the computer over to the iPad is there's no delay at all. Now, digging into the settings allows you to make various changes to modify your gaming experience. The ones I want to briefly talk about are quality, frame rate, stream resolution, and encoding. In quality, you can choose the streaming quality of the video. The lower the quality, the faster the game streams on your device, and the higher the quality, you might see better visuals with a more noticeable lag. Under the frame rate setting, you can choose a frame rate in which the stream is producing. In the iPad, I can only choose 30 or 60 frames per second, but if you are playing on another computer or laptop with a high refresh monitor, you can see up to 144 frames per second in your streams. Mind you, this is currently experimental. Stream resolution allows you to change the resolution that is currently displaying on your mobile device or computer. You are free to change this as you like, but it's better to leave it at the recommended settings as that is what your current device supports. And finally, under your encoding setting, you can designate whether you want the CPU or the GPU of your actual gaming PC to do the encoding to capture and process your gameplay. I'd leave it under your GPU, as that was the default. Now, let's try playing on an iPhone 11 Pro to see how it performs as well. Okay, now playing Grand Theft Auto is a little bit trickier, but as you can see, there is no lag whatsoever on this. Everything is as smooth as it can be on your iPhone. There is no lag whatsoever. This is a great service, and it's for free. Now, one thing that we really didn't try on the iPhone is to use our cellular data instead of our Wi-Fi in order to play these games to see how the performance stacks up. So let's go ahead and enable our Wi-Fi and get into the game. Okay, well, after what I felt like an eternity, we are finally playing Grand Theft Auto on our iPhone without Wi-Fi. We're using our cellular data. And look, I mean, as I've once stated before, I am not the best driver, I'm not the best player here, and the controls aren't really optimized for mobile, but at the very least you can see that everything is running smoothly. Everything runs great. No problems here whatsoever. All right, and there you guys have it. PC gaming on a phone or a tablet. You can also use it, like I said before, on a computer or a laptop. If you guys did enjoy this video, hit a like and subscribe also for more content coming soon. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.